equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. First, power off your device and remove any screws around the screen. Keep them safe for reassembly. Next, use the prying tool to gently lift the screen from the device. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Once the screen is off, take a moment to clean the internal area with a soft cloth. This ensures no dust interferes with the new screen. Now, inspect the connectors and the frame for any damage. If everything looks good, it's time to attach the new screen. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Remember, for a hassle-free experience, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair, ensuring no surprises. Finally, power on your device to check the new screen. If it works perfectly, you've done a great job. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.